Hi guys, my name is Daniel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do this simple drop down menu using CSS. Now this is a project I copied from, I just cloned the Radius team web page. I think I did my best. So in this video you will learn how you can do this simple hover effect using CSS. When I hover on this button, you notice that the background changes to red color, and when I hover on the plugin link, and then it changes to it gives me this beautiful drop down menu. So this is what we are going to be doing right away with HTML CSS. So let's go into our Visual Studio Code, and here I have my Visual Studio Code. This is the project itself. So what I'll do right now is I'll create a new folder in my Visual Studio Code. Simple drop I'll save this, and for this folder I'm going to create the first file, which will be my index. So I'm going to remove this from index.html. I save this, I have my index.html open. So I now have my HTML to type whatever I want into my Visual Studio Code. So I like to increase the font so that you'll be able to see. So I have my doc type, and I have my HTML, and I have my head. Inside my head I have a title, and for the title I'm gonna have best radius I hope that's how you spell it, radius theme, Daniels and computer. Yes, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and get yourself subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of our future videos. That I have my body, and for the body I'm gonna have dot header. I'm just gonna say header. For this header I'm gonna have a div that has a class of logo. Then I'll have an a okay sorry I think this guy I'll have random, and that image is radius theme here, right? Fine. The next thing I want to do is, outside of this guy, I have another div is a links. Here I'll have another list. Here I'll have a list. Tag will be plugins. I'll just increase this so I'll notice hires and sub. That's all. And outside this on another list, I have a button. I have that's btn. Inside will be save this. I think that's all. So I have this beautiful icon, that's the plugin. I have a span. This span I have an image. SVG image, and I'll see arrow down. So this is the guy I'll use. So if I save this and open my live saver, this is what we have. start styling it. What I'll do again is to create CSS file. This will be style.css. Style.css, I have style match is 0, my A. Here I would say here I would target my, I would say border, sorry, this style. Basically, this is what I have. Target my image, and I'll say the width should be this. This is what I want. The next thing I want to really target is the body. Body, I'll give it a height of 100. Background color, let's say red. My dot header, and I'll make this a display of flex. My content space. I'll say background color should be green, so I know what I'm doing. Height should be rem. Okay, that's nice. And I need the margin top should be, and what I'll have is come here. I think I need some padding. Padding will be up and down 0, left and right will be 10%. Logo, the image, right? I have the logo, so this will be inside. This was supposed to be inside an, so the logo, my image, which should be 15 rem. Good. Now for this guy, I'll do align items center. Beautiful. Nice already. Now for my links I'll have display of app should be line items. Yeah, right. So I'll just say links. It should be flex. This I have this guy. Next thing I want to do is to align them center. So I'll align items center. Enlarge this. This is basically what I have. So I'll keep this like this so I'll be able to see what I'm styling. Come here and I'll remove this guy. Alright. So as this other guy. Beautiful. Now for my UL, I'll give it a gap 1 rem. That looks nice. Now links, your li images tag. I think I have everything I wanted. I'll leave it there for the colors. Image height. That should be minus 0.5 rem. Very good. I have there. So I have link plugins inside my link. Space is too much. But that's basically what I want. So if I move this guy, come here and I'll say I want to do is my button. So I'll just say that should be top and down should be 0.8 rem. One area. So basically this is what I want. Now we are done with everything here. The next thing we want to do is to include these guys, right? So I'm going to include the HTML part of this code and I'll come back and start it. So I'm just going to paste the code here. So inside this code, I have a div of class plugins and I have another div here. This div ends here. So yeah, I have another div inside. This div is the one that is containing every other element, and another div inside again, which has a class of item, and this item has a big anchor tag with two spans which has text in it, and that's how I have repeatedly until the 9th guy, if I'm not mistaken, where I have an anchor tag which is just the anchor element inside of that guy. So if I save this and as this, what I want to first do is to start styling and make it responsive, right? So, for my the plugin div, this guy plugins, it, and I'll come here and I'll say that plugins and it should be absolute. Right? it should be 120%. The left should be 50%. Transform should be translate x minus 50%. If I save this, I'll target my li, and I'll give all my li a position of relative. So if I come here and say background color should be red, you'll be able to see that guy, right? And I'm gonna say overflow. Height should be 3 or 2.5. Okay, so that's beautiful already. Next, I want to give it, I would say dot plugins, the immediate div. Position should be absolute. Top, can we say bottom should be 0. Bottom should be 0. Then left should be minus 20 area. Save this out to save 100%, right? So that's what I want, right? So let's move this guy. So next thing I want to do is to style this guy. I'm gonna say display of grid template column. This would be 15 rem, 15 rem, 15 grid templates rows. This would be rem. I'll say the plugins, the come back here. Let me just confirm that. So this is what I want. Item. Basically what I have. So I'm gonna say padding 1 rem. Padding 1 rem is alright. What else? A 1.1 rem. So if I say 1 point, and this guy plugins a display of flex should be 0.5 rem. That's nice. Now what again? Change this to 20 area. Okay, makes sense. This as well to 5 area. I don't need this padding, this gap rather. if I wanted it, I'll give it 1 pixel. So gap 1 pixel. So this is what I want. And now this whole thing, which one? I'll give this a pattern. So pattern would be one. Background should be white. Radius. Bottom left radius. Then I'll come back to my body. I'll say background linear gradients. Uh, this is basically the image I'm using. So I wanted this image so that I can see this guy. So since that image is there, it doesn't look beautiful. So I'll come back again. I make this where is it? Ten pieces is okay. So I'll bring this down. For this I'll say right. Next thing I want to do is that's literally all. So you come here, think, okay, I'll make this last guy have this beautiful border. Now start coloring. So the black and gray. Texture color will be black. Alright. Next thing I want to add is hover effect. For the last guy. So plugin and then item. Give this a display of flags. I don't need for all my guys, I want them to have a width of 100%. Sorry, height of 100%. So yes, nothing has changed. It's just this guy. So now for that guy again. Radius of 30 pixels. Background. Alright. to 30 pixels is too much. First off, I'll like item is not supposed to have padding. I give it padding already. Yeah. Basically, this is what I want. Back here, and I'll get the colors right. For that, I've added some variables here. As you can see, I have the button, the button shadow, and then I have the item border, I have the item list, and item last, I have the button over, and I have this border, border box shadow rather. Here I'll say dot header, links rather. Okay. Oh, 0.2 seconds over. So if I save this, well, that did not work. So I'll come back here and I say BTN. That BTN is here. Just leave that one there. It's like, and for this guy, there is a cursor pointer. And for all my a tag. So I'd say that links that the links immediate your li immediate a on the color to be btn. When this is hovered, color to be sorry. For some reasons I can't see that my icon, which I'm not going to value for now. So when I'm hovering on my this guy, I need that beautiful box shadow. So the plugins, that's item hover. So I need box shadow, box shadow. So if I save this, we have that beautiful box shadow, right? And the next thing I want to target is that last item, so that's plugins, and that's item, the last child, the last child background color should be color would be this guy. The whole of this guy. And I'll come back. Target this guy. li plugins li this guys, this is the end of this project. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I think we have some space here, but we can. So guys, this is the end of the project, and I hope you enjoyed it.